Right? Now, on further analysis, like what's going to happen here? This fragment here, this whole fragment here, it leaves. Right? And then what do I form here? Then I generate this here, and there's my oxygen, hydrogen, 1, 2, 1, 2. This carbon atom here becomes what? Positive in charge, right? Then plus what? That side. That side I'm left with pH that is bonded to CH2, CH2 that is bonded to CH2, but this CH2 here, it has got what? A negative charge. It has got what? A negative charge. So there's a negative. So it's a CH2 minus, it's a carbanion that I've generated that side. So the usual here, right? So this will come over here, right? Positive charge, single bond, oxygen. So what then do I get here now? Then I will end up with this system. Double bond O here, this H, 1, 2, and the oxygen atom is now what? Positive in charge. That one, I know if it's a carbanion, it must have come from a Grignard agent. So I must have had pH, CH2, CH2 minus, in this case, CH2 what? Minus, and then Br, that is positive, bromine, that is positive, that is connected to magnesium. That's my Grignard agent in that case, right? Okay, and then next, what do I get? Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, and bearing a positive charge, it takes away the bond pair that it shared with what? With oxygen. Then eventually, I end up with this C double bond, this. That's a methyl group. I end up with acetone. Acetone together with what? With H plus, isn't it? So that's my retrosynthesis of that target molecule. Now, let's go to synthesis now, like of this particular system here. If I wanted to here, I could even move further than this. I know that like if this carbon was negative, is negative. If this carbon atom is negative, right? In this case, this means that this on itself, it must have come from CH2 Br, where this carbon was positive. Then a principle of Umpolon, reversal of polarity, took place when we treated this with magnesium. You see? So, in terms of synthesis now, like I can say, that's my retrosynthesis. In terms of synthesis, I can put all these now. Then I could say I've got my pH that is bonded to CH2, that CH2 bonded to bromine, for example. Now, here I will need to treat this with what? With magnesium. If I treat this with magnesium, remember the principle of Umpolon. Carbon is positive, bromine is negative. So if you want to reverse this, we treat this with magnesium, then I will generate this system. So if I generate that system, then I can get a Grignard agent there now. A Grignard agent, it's the one that can attack my acetone here. You know, like it will act as a nucleophile in that case. So one, treat that with magnesium. Then here, treat that with my acetone. Acetone, it's Me2C double bond O. That is CH3C double bond O. Then what will that give me? That will give me my alcohol. There's my alcohol there. It will give me this, that. There's my alcohol in this step. Right? Then I form my alcohol in that step. In that alcohol, I treat it with concentrated H2SO4. Treat that with concentrated H2SO4. What do I get? This, that here, and a double bond there. Plus what as a byproduct? Plus water that's going to generated as a byproduct. Then this here is my target molecule, right? So you can go back now like and do the mechanism of this reaction, right? Then I'll show you the mechanism of this reaction in the next, in the next class. Thank you very much.